and you have a high regard of that author, or you think that author has qualified many times, so that author must have written something really good. If this book can save me, right or wrong? Practically right है ये, theoretically wrong. How? Writer's name is making you biased about the reading. Writer's name is giving you hopes, which means again a misreading. Horizons of expectation. Then reader book relationship, transactional analysis. और बताओ किस में टफ है? न्यू हिस्टोरिसिज्म, एपिस्टीम, नॉलेज, सेल्फ पोजिशनिंग, थिक डिस्क्रिप्शन, और किस में डर लग रहा है? साई, किस में डर लग रहा है? किसी में नहीं, सब में। एक लड़के का रिजल्ट आने वाला था, so there was a boy who was waiting for his result. So he asked his best friend that I think I can fail in one of those papers. So if I fail in geography, आके बोलना, just tell me the signal, Jai Shri Ram. If I fail in history, give me another signal, Jai Bajrang Bali, another god. If I fail in political science, say Jai Ganesh. Result gets declared, friend comes, he's waiting for the signal. Friend says Sache Darbar ki jai, all the gods hail. सब में fail, all fail. तो सारे टॉपिक प्रिपेयर्ड है, सही है, सेम हाल है। आ जाओ आ जाओ आ जाओ। कल्चर स्टडी में डर लग रहा है, कौन कौन सा थ्योरी किया था? कल्चर स्टडीज ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं है। कल्चर स्टडीज इज नॉट एन ऑर्गेनाइज टॉपिक। एक्चुअली अभी भी कल्चर स्टडीज इज बीइंग डेवलप। सी प्रॉब्लम ये है ना कि कल्चर स्टडी इज नॉट अ न्यू टॉपिक। कल्चर स्टडी नया टॉपिक नहीं है। कल्चर स्टडी की जो थ्योरी है ये नई थ्योरीज, थ्योरीज आर न्यू बट द टॉपिक इज नॉट न्यू। रीडिंग अंडरस्टैंडिंग सोसाइटी is a simple anthropological approach. Many of your friends must have opted the subject of sociology. So in sociology, they understand many traditions, weddings, birthday celebrations, cultural practices, religions. So it is already the part of culture studies. It's just that now they are relating theories. So theories nahi hai. Culture study is not written by just one man in an organized structure. Some of these people decided that what are we doing? See, actually what we were doing in theory. Theory में हमारा सबसे बड़ा reason था to find out meaning. This is the main thing. We were trying to find out real meaning. Theory में यही कर रहे थे हम. What is the real meaning? Unbiased. But then you find out the meaning. How do you understand the meaning? You are the part of society. किसी को meaning कैसे समझ में आता है? अगर मैं इसको meaning समझाऊं, getting it? Hello, are you getting me? This board, this lecture stand, if I teach this something to this lecture stand, this lecture has taken a lot of lectures. Is he going to understand something? Is this going to understand something? Why? Because it is a dead object, simple, lifeless. But if somebody is having a life, that person will understand. At least something will understand. Why that person will understand? Because that person comes from a society. So if you are saying that I want to understand the meaning of the text written by some author, so author comes from, and the reader who wants to understand the real meaning comes from. And this is a fact, that meaning is actually developed, understood, questioned from the social point of views. What makes you think? Your social understanding. Somebody has revolutionary understanding, somebody has passive understanding, somebody is very much positive, somebody is negative. But all those thoughts, all those mindsets, it comes from social surroundings, social understanding. Writer who develops a meaning. Okay, this is our earth, and then this is space, right? अर्थ से साइंटिस्ट आर सेंडिंग सिग्नल. Why they are sending signals? साइंटिस्ट सिग्नल्स क्यों भेज रहे हैं अर्थ से? What is the main target? They are sending signals to the other planets, other galaxies, and there are so many signals which are just forwarded, sent. That once the signal is caught, once the signal is read, once we may get a reply. बड़े बड़े लगे हुए antennas, there are big antennas and they are forwarding signals. Why they are forwarding those signals in radio waves? These are radio signals. Why can't they just send a Bollywood song? एक बार आजा आजा आजा, एक बार आजा. Please come, please come. You're talking to aliens? हम aliens से बात कर रहे हैं. If we want to call aliens, why are we not sending a Bollywood song? कौन सा गाना है वो? एक बार आजा आजा आजा. Please come, at least once, please come. Why? Why we are not using the Bollywood language? Because in that society, imaginary society of the other planets, we know the language is not understood. So what we believe is that they will understand radio frequency. Means author's medium is based on social structure, right? So author, when he gives a meaning in the text, it's a social meaning. Reader who understands anything, it's a social meaning. Clear? समाज में जैसे हो वही समझोगे ना आप, समाज के हिसाब से. अभी हम फाइटिंग फॉर नीट के लिए लड़ रहा हूं ना. क्यों लड़ रहा हूं? क्योंकि ये एग्जाम करवाता है और ये आपका एग्जाम करवा रहा है. अब उसमें मुझे कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं नीचे, he is doing it for views and likes. I am not an entertainer that I'll get likes, so I'll earn from YouTube. उसके लिए 10, 20, 25 लाख 50 लाख फॉलोअर होना चाहिए, वो नहीं है. I'm a teacher. If I really want to earn through that thing, I just have to teach. आप लोग कैसे आए यहाँ पे पढ़ने? वीडियोस देख के आए हो ना, YouTube के वीडियोस. One student got impressed by one lecture. This man teaches. You came here. YouTube के लाइक से पैसा आएगा या एक स्टूडेंट को अच्छा पढ़ा के पैसा आएगा? अच्छा पढ़ा के आएगा. तो मैं छोड़ सकता हूँ लड़ाई, मैं तो पढ़ा सकता हूँ, क्योंकि YouTube के लाइक से उतना पैसा नहीं आएगा, लेकिन एक वीडियो से 10 एडमिशन भी आया तो बहुत पैसा आएगा. अब मैं उसको एक एक को कैसे समझाऊँ? अगर इफ द सेम पर्सन हु राइट्स दिस दैट इज डूइंग इट फॉर व्यूज, वो भगत सिंह को भी यही बोलता, हीरो बनने जा रहे हैं बम फेंकने, लड़कियों के आगे हीरो बनेगा. वो भगत सिंह को भी यही बोलता, वो गांधी जी को भी यही बोलता, रहे सब्सक्राइबिंग के चक्कर में कर रहे हैं. वाई गांधी इज गोइंग फॉर नॉन वायलेंस मूवमेंट? सब्सक्राइबिंग चाहिए. क्यों? क्योंकि उसका अंडरस्टैंडिंग यही है. कल को तुम एक मुद्दा उठाओ सोशल, तुम्हें 10 लोग ये बोलेंगे. पॉइंट इज what you do, your social understanding. My social understanding is that I have my national level name. I come from University of Delhi. I have seen activists. I have seen professors fighting. My senior professors, Professor G.N. Sai Baba was house arrest, Department of English. Professor Henny Babu, Linguistic Department, multiple time arrest. So I'm inspired from those guys. कोई बात नहीं, अरेस्ट होगा. वो मेरा social understanding है. But the one who is understanding, उसका social understanding है. People said, so let's study society only. If everything is based on social understandings, so let's study society. So they started focusing on culture studies. It is advanced level of theory. How cultures are formed, how cultures are developed. It has a role of language, then it has a role of knowledge, power structure, history. So I'm going to teach some more points today. कुछ और points पढ़ लेते हैं साथ में. First thing, remember Michel Foucault? Foucault याद है? The idea of Marwa, what is episteme? Dibby? एपिस्टीम क्या होता है? नॉलेज, एपिस्टेमोलॉजी। सुरुचि, सुरुचि, रुचिका, 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 सुरुचि, हाँ रुचिका। एपिस्टीम, knowledge, and power, any type of power. First of all, remember this thing, according to Foucault, this is the base of any society, any history. If you want to understand history of any culture, history of any culture, see the background of the history, check the concepts of episteme and power. Epistemology देखो, knowledge structure, power structure. Who went to the moon first? The first person to go to moon? Armstrong, USA. What if they have found something really good? They're not going to tell us. Why would they share it? What if Armstrong went there, found a new society, found new people, and they are getting their nuclear bomb supplies from the moon? Why would they tell everyone? अगर मुझे पता चल जाए, if I really get to know that there is some gold buried somewhere, am I going to post it on Facebook? Hello guys, found a lot of gold. You can come and kill me and take that. Or I'll just keep it to me. Point is, people who had knowledge, it helped them to get the power. Knowledge leads to power. But then people who had power, knowledge. So first of all, in any culture studies or social practice, Foucault's reference of episteme and power is very important. Then comes the role of language. Language is very important. ताकत के लिए भाषा की जरूरत नहीं होती है. The tiger doesn't need a language to control the forest. जंगल में शेर जो होता है, शेर को भाषा थोड़ी चाहिए होती है. That he announces, this is my territory. He announces by hunting. शिकार करता है, लोग समझ जाते हैं कि इधर नहीं आना है. So the language is secondary. अब आता है language. यहाँ पे कुछ linguistic reference I'm going to teach you. How language plays the role in society. So I'm going to teach you some linguistic concepts. समझ में आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है? आपका नाम क्या? What's your name? कोमल, मानुषी, आयुषी, अनुश्री. हाँ देखो, मैचिंग मैचिंग. 4 ऑप्शंस में सही निशान लगा था. अनुश्री मानुश्री थोड़ा मैच हो गया. आ रहा है समझ में? नहीं आ रहा है. डर लग रहा है. डर लग रहा है. तुम्हें डर लग रहा होगा. नहीं लग रहा है. हमारे पास आंखें देख के लग रहा है. पढ़ो पढ़ो, शाबाश शाबाश. बट एक चीज़ याद रखना, प्लीज़ रिमेंबर, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट, प्लीज़ डू नॉट ओवरबर्डन दिस. दिस विल कोलैप्स इन एग्जाम. गर्मी बहुत है, पानी वानी पी के जाना. कैरी योर वाटर बॉटल्स, ट्रांसपेरेंट वाटर बॉटल्स, अदरवाइज बुखार रखवा देंगे. एंड प्लीज़ रिमेंबर, if you put a lot of burden on your brain, unnecessary burden on your brain, so even if it is working under pressure, if it stops working in the exam, you will have to pay the price. Please, last days of exam hai, take proper sleep. I know it's easy for me to tell you, you're not able to sleep. I know, I do understand that. I have faced those situations. मैं भी सोना चाह रहा था, मुझे नींद नहीं आ रही थी. Before my first exam, I was telling myself, soja, because tomorrow it's the war. I need my active brain. I need to recall those things. But I was not able to sleep. I went to this shop, लस्सी वाली दुकान है ना, लस्सी मिठाई शॉप. लस्सी लेके आया था मैं रात को, लस्सी पी के. सोजा. I have to sleep because I don't want to go to the exam with a tired brain. So take proper sleep. Do not do any food experiment in last days. लास्ट के 4-5 दिन में फूड एक्सपेरिमेंट नहीं करना. दैट टुडे आई ऑर्डर दिस फूड फ्रॉम देयर, प्लीज़. ठीक है? गर्मी बहुत है, वॉमिटिंग, डिहाइड्रेशन, एनीथिंग कैन ट्रबल इन एग्जाम. तुम्हारे सेंटर्स सबके दिल्ली में ही हैं. सेंटर्स अलाउड नहीं होने वाले ना. मेक अ प्रॉपर ग्रुप एंड इफ पॉसिबल, इफ यू कैन हैव अ बेटर मेट्रो और सम अदर ऑप्शंस, go by that. Do not take shared cabs. One of my student, he took some shared cab and he used to have motion sickness. कुछ लोग होते हैं ना जिनको कार में उल्टी आती है, तो उसको motion sickness हो गया. He started vomiting at the center and he had to leave his exam. तो ये नहीं करना है. Get back. Now see, language structure. We have talked about Lang and Parole. Let's check it once again. What is Lang? Sai. Lang is language. What is Parole? First of all, both are the part of language. ठीक है? Lang is the part of language which deals with the structure of language. Syntax. इसे बोलते हैं syntactic structure, यानी कि rules of language. यहाँ पे आप grammar वगैरह सब डाल सकते हो. ठीक है? He eats non-veg. ग्रामेटिकली सही है गलत है? ग्रामेटिकली गलत है? अच्छा वो छोड़ो, वो तो फिर वो लैंग्वेज का वर्ब है, मैंने शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज किया है. इज इट ग्रामेटिकली रॉन्ग और राइट? ग्रामेटिकली राइट है. नाउ सपोज आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट माय फ्रेंड. My friend is going to be the PM of this country, and I go and talk about my friend. He's a great man, and I must tell you he eats non-veg. What will be the impact? Grammatically correct है. Publicly आपके दोस्त के बारे में, अपने दोस्त के बारे में बोलूँ मैं, in a surrounding where it is taken in a bad way, then दोस्त जा रहा है मंदिर में पूजा करने और मैं बोलूँ अरे बहुत अच्छा लड़का है, तो did you get it? This is grammatically correct. Socially, in some particular context, it can be taken in a negative way. A lot of people don't want to tell it to public. It means grammatical structure, it is okay. Parole, socially or social structure, this is the sensitive thing. This is a sensitive thing. समझ में आया नहीं आया? Grammatically structure सही है. Just because you know what to speak grammatically, that doesn't mean you speak anything anywhere. Wrong? Got it? Making a sentence grammatically, it is okay. People know grammar, people know subject, verb, object formations, they make sentence. But exactly what to speak, where to speak, and what are the results, that's parole. तो ये लैंग एंड पैरोल कॉन्सेप्ट है फर्डिनेंड द सॉश्योर का. दिस इज लैंग्वेज एंड लैंग्वेज इम्पैक्ट इन सोसाइटी. लैंग्वेज को आना एंड लैंग्वेज यूज इन सोसाइटी. इज इट रॉन्ग और राइट? ग्रामेटिकली सही है? ग्रामेटिकली देवी, ग्रामेटिकली सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर, कैन यू पोस्ट इट ऑन योर सोशल मीडिया? एविड रीडर, बुक लवर, कॉफी लवर, ये भी लिख सकते हो. Can you write it on your Instagram IDs? Normally हम लोग क्या लिखते हैं? Lover of music, music lover, और 4-5 गानों के ऑप्शन भी होते हैं अंग्रेजों वाले, भले वो मनोज तिवारी सुन रहा हो बैठ के. पब्लिकली तो वही जाता ना. Can you write it in your resume? क्यों? This is grammatically right. What's wrong? Because structure wise, grammatically it is lang, it is dead, it has no meaning, it is just right grammatically. The moment you use it in society in a context, what's your favorite hobby? I love to cheat people. Bolo jaake interview mein. So practically you can't use it, that is parole. So grammatical structure lang, that is parole. Noam Chomsky calls it. The same example, same thing. In the words of Noam Chomsky, language competence please remember these names, okay? There are questions asked. Language performance. I have to teach you 10 plus more terms. अभी पढ़ानी मुझे चीज़ें. So what is language competence? Same, lang. You know how to form sentences, how to arrange sentences, but how it will be taken by society, how they will react, what will they understand, what if they get some unnecessary meanings. That is language performance. Language performance is not in your control. All you can do is you can just speak. After that your language will have a free play. फिर उसका free play start होता है. Free play मतलब same line can have one meaning for one person, another meaning for another person. Affective fallacy. फ्री पे मतलब कोई फिक्स रूल नहीं है कि सोसाइटी में एक ही मीनिंग आएगा. आपने जो बोला, वंस यू हैव स्पोकन समथिंग, 100 people can have 100 meanings. If you go to interview and you say, I love to cheat people, what is the guarantee that the interviewer will hate you? What if he likes it? Wow! हो सकता नहीं हो सकता? You go to interview, they say, what's your hobby? I love to cheat people. So you think it will be a bad reaction. Why? What if that interviewer is interviewing you for 420 things? वो करी से ले रहा है आपको, जामतारा से फोन आया हुआ है. What if that person wants to hire a fraudster? Why do you want to con people? Sir, I love it. Good, recruited. Lag ja fake call. It means there is no guarantee that everybody will have the same reaction. Language will have a free play. हंस भी तो सकता है. I love to cheat people. Okay, ha 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 ha. Now be serious. Oh, no, there is no surety, same response. Various people, various response. That is free play. ठीक है? रुचिका समझ में आया फ्री प्ले? Now please see these some concepts. Language के multiple concepts हैं in society. Questions have been asked from these things, so we have to understand these. When you write these things, you can leave 3-4 line. These are some terms we have to deal with. We are connecting linguistics with culture studies. हम उसको जोड़ के पढ़ रहे हैं, कनेक्ट करके पढ़ रहे हैं. What is register? बताओ. What is register? किसको आता है? One of the last practice class. मैं बॉस को फॉरवर्ड कर दूंगा, क्लास ले रहा हूँ, मेरे काम आएगा. I have to show ना, तो सर क्लास ले रहा हूँ. Register is a coded language. What code? Scientific codes. Then a particular set of language, a particular code of language used in different contexts. Every context has a particular language. Every context has a coded language. Do you believe in this thing? We have multiple personalities inside. With somebody we are so cool, we speak anything. With somebody we are so much conscious that we speak before, and first we think, then we speak. We think before we speak. How can we have two personalities? With somebody we are so conscious that we think, then we speak. And with somebody we are so relaxed that we just say what we want to say. Two different personalities. We are the part of social structure, but our personality is bound to some rules and regulations, where to speak, where not to speak. So when we choose our surroundings, when we see ourselves in the context, our language becomes different, refined, cultured, or maybe uncultured. But in every social context, we have our own coded language. It's not that Hindi to English or English to Persian, no. Same Hindi, same English, same native language. But the words you choose, coded words, it becomes a particular set of language, particular style of language. That is register. It's very easy. Question of net exam. बहुत आसान है. Let's make it very easy now with examples. Parents, कैसे बात करते हो पेरेंट्स से? हाउ डू यू टॉक टू योर पेरेंट्स? डू यू यूज स्लैंग वर्ड्स विद योर पेरेंट्स? क्यों? गलती से भी नहीं? वो बहुत इमोशनली होता होगा. कभी ऐसा हुआ दैट गलती से you change your language talking to your parents? When you are conscious, your language is controlled. Maybe you are extremely angry, then you can come with some other language. But normally when you talk to your parents, और बता, तू बता, और तू बता, और सब बढ़िया, तू बता. We talk to people we don't want to talk. So you say, yeah, you say, all well, yeah. Anything else? You say. What kind of formal language is this? It's sure it's not your best friend. It's not your best friend. क्योंकि बेस्ट फ्रेंड से बात करने के लिए और बता करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. तुम बोलोगे अरे यार खाना खाने बैठा हूँ, 4 रोटी मांगी, आ नहीं रहा, मन कर रहा है थप्पड़ मार दूँ. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना दोस्त के साथ. How can you switch your language between your best friend and your teachers, your parents? कैसे चेंज होता है? The moment you talk to your seniors, लैंग्वेज कैसे चेंज हो जाती है? किसी को आप बोल सकते हैं, दोस्त को आप थोड़ी बोलते हैं. दोस्त को आप बोलोगे उसको लगे दोस्त नहीं है वो. बेस्ट फ्रेंड को आप बोलना इज एन इंसल्ट ना. फिर कैसे बोलते हो? मैंने मेरे इंटरव्यू में बोल दिया था, तो उसने बोला कि बेस्ट फ्रेंड कौन है. मैंने बना दिया किसी का नाम, तो मैंने नाम में उसको मिस्टर लगाया. कह रहा आप अपने बेस्ट फ्रेंड को मिस्टर बोलते हो? मैंने कहा नहीं सर, वो थोड़ा रिस्पेक्टेड है ना, तो इसलिए. क्या करता है? मैंने फिर फेंक दी. मैंने कहा डॉक्टर है, तो डॉक्टर है तो भी बेस्ट फ्रेंड तो बेस्ट फ्रेंड होता है ना. पॉइंट ये है, हाउ डू यू टॉक टू योर पेरेंट्स, हाउ डू यू टॉक टू योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड, हाउ डू यू टॉक टू योर एनिमी. 3 डिफरेंट कोडेड लैंग्वेज. हिंदी हो सकती है, इंग्लिश हो सकती है, लेकिन जो वर्ड्स आप यूज कर रहे हो पैटर्न है. एकेडमिक लैंग्वेज रजिस्टर, एकेडमिक लैंग्वेज रजिस्टर, स्लैंग लैंग्वेज पर्टिकुलर रजिस्टर. आप शरीफ इंसान हो, यू आर अ गुड पर्सन, एजुकेटेड पर्सन. बाई चांस यू स्टार्ट फाइटिंग विद समबडी हु इज यूजिंग स्लैंग. For time being you can control, but then finally if that person is overpowering you with the slang, you will have to switch to a new language. That तेरा बहुत हो गया, तू देख मेरा दूसरा side. It means you change the register. In that context, coded language. प्रिंसिपल के ऑफिस में जाते हैं, बहुत सोच समझ के बात करते हैं. Coded language. So every context has a new pattern of conversation. The way we talk to our parents, the way we talk to friends and enemies are different codes, right? That is register. So how many registers are there in the world? Uncounted. Do we have any pattern? No. Pattern नहीं होता registers में. कैसे? कॉलेज में आप लड़ाई कर रहे हो, you're fighting with your friend, and all of a sudden करोगे, कई वर्ड समझ नहीं आएंगे एक्सेंट में, क्योंकि उनकी रोज के लिए लैंग्वेज है. Three of these people were not able to talk in English, and after that they started working on a particular English used by ATC, Air Traffic Control. So ये नहीं पूछेंगे और भाई साहब क्या खाना खाया नाश्ते में. They don't call pilot, hi pilot, what did you have in your breakfast? They'll say pilot, ATC to pilot, 1000 feet in the sky, air this, temperature this, over. Then he says, yeah, all good, looking clear, all good. Basic conversation, nothing else. They have codes. If they switch a button, it is hijack. So technically those languages have been developed. Marine English, aviation English, army English, these kind of registers. ये registers हैं. Did you understand? Let's go for Pidgin, very important. Pidgin, very important. How are you, Sultana? You're also coming from GSRI. So you must have seen the video first. You saw the video. This video, it's not being shared. I started the live class. So you just came to the class, you didn't watch the video. चलो, बाकी लोग भी ना GSRI में वीडियो देख लेंगे वो. Pidgin. Please remember, multiple questions हैं, repeated questions हैं, free का question होगा. If you didn't answer register or you don't answer Pidgin in exam, I'll disown. Pidgin is language 2. Now what is language 1? L1, native language, your first language. L2, new or some commonly, या common नहीं, common word नहीं आना चाहिए. New language, second language. What's your native language, Wong? Khoka. Khok. Khaso. Khosa. Otha. Okay. Then second language? Second language in which you talk to people? English, Hindi, Assamese also. That's great. You'll be a great teacher. Normally people who know 3 to 4 languages are intellectually more enlightened. It's good. What's your first language, Hilal? Kashmiri. Second language that helps you to talk? Hindi, English, both. Technically, second language is Urdu. What's your first language, Dolly? Hindi, Haryanvi Hindi. Sultana, what's your first language? Manipuri. Debi, first language? Mizo language. Arwa, Mizo. Second language? English, maybe Hindi. So please remember this thing. The first language is mother language, native language. First language आपकी हमेशा mother language होगी. First language, mother language. Now, if Dibi, she speaks first language, that is Mizo. Dibi, right spelling? Dibi wants to talk to Hilal. Hilal's L1, Kashmiri. Dibi's L1, Mizo. How they can talk? They are in the same class. Is it possible that they can talk or not? Not possible? He doesn't know Mizo. She doesn't know Kashmiri. So in that case, how they are going to talk? They will need a medium language. A language which is a medium, a bridge, L2. In this case, the common language can be any language they both speak. So what is the common language in both of you? English. Great. So the both of you have one thing in common, that Dibi can speak in L2, Hilal can speak in L2. L2 is the common language that helps you to connect. It is Pidgin. Pidgin is second language which is used by two speakers of different language one to communicate. In India, question of JNU PhD entrance exam, when it was descriptive, because we used to prepare these answers. Question was, discuss the role of English as a Pidgin in India. Yes, North India, South East, East, Northeast, it's all connected because of English. If I go to Kerala, If I go to northeast, so I know that even if I'm not able to speak in Hindi, English can help me. People will speak in English. So English is L2, language 2. It can also be language 1, Hindi. Like for Hilal, Kashmiri is the first native language. For DB, Mizo is the first native language. DB is somewhat comfortable in Hindi, like Wong speaks. Hilal is somewhat comfortable in Hindi. So if they are switching to Hindi also, it is Pidgin. In their case, Hindi is also Pidgin if they can speak. Second language, but remember the rule. It should not be the first language of anyone. He speaks in Kashmiri, I speak in English, and if he is talking to me in English, English is not a Pidgin. It should be the second language for both of the speakers. Then only it will become a bridge language. तभी ये सिर्फ bridge बनेगा. Please remember L2. This will be the bridge language. Questions? Clear? Ruchika, questions? लैंग्वेज 2 होना चाहिए किसी के लिए भी, लैंग्वेज 1 नहीं होना चाहिए. इट शुड नेवर बी लैंग्वेज 1. Pidgin is never language 1. It is never native language. It is always the second language. Plus both of them who are going to use the second language. Remember this, they are not very much comfortable in second language. It is a bridge language. तो आप Pidgin को as a bridge language याद करो, it will be easy. If I want to go to some other country where they don't speak English as the first language, if I go to China, so the first language for them is Chinese, for me maybe Hindi. So how are we going to talk? They will choose a language 2, I will choose a common language 2, and that common language 2 will be called Pidgin. English in India plays the role of Pidgin. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं कि कोई और भाषा कॉमन नहीं हो सकती है. जैसे इन देयर केस हो सकता है हिंदी में बात कर रहे हो तो हिंदी विल बी सेकेंड लैंग्वेज. रूल्स क्या है? सेकेंड लैंग्वेज. व्हाट्स हैपनिंग? बताओ डीबी, व्हाई लॉफिंग? Theory? Yes, quite. Yes, true. She came out of her comfort zone to speak in a different language. He came out of his comfort zone to speak in a different language. This is contact zone theory. बहुत बढ़िया, very nice, perfect. Contact कैसे establish होता है? This is our contact zone. You came from your hostels. I came from my house. We both left our comfort zones. We came together. Contact zone. कुछ तुम चलो कुछ हम चलें. गाना सुना है ना? How the relations are formed? They both have to work. So they both have to come out of comfort zone. तुम लोग अपने रूम से बाहर आए हो. I came from my house. We got together here. Now it is a contact zone of the class. In the language system, language reference, why DB has to go to language 2? Because she has to establish a contact. Why Hilal will have to speak in language 2? Because he wants to establish a contact. So yes, they are coming out of their comfort zone. L2, that is also contact zone. True. Maria Lewis Pratt. बहुत बढ़िया DB. Got it? Questions? Clear? Shivangi? Next one, Creole. Please remember, register Pidgin, many questions are there in ours. Exam में बहुत questions हैं. The first time register question आया था ना, I thought उसमें question था what is the significance of register. So I thought कि ये paper 1 का question है. When first time I faced that question register, I thought it's a paper 1 question and maybe they're talking about some attendance register. So I was reading the options to connect it with some discipline of class. I did not understand. और मैंने सोचा register word क्यों पूछा है, क्योंकि register is this, register copy notebook. मुझे नहीं पता क्यों आया. But then reading. The next one we have Creole, one of the most iconic thing. A language which has no structure and a language which is widely studied. एक ऐसी भाषा जिसका स्ट्रक्चर नहीं है और इसे बहुत अच्छे से पढ़ा जा रहा है. बहुत सारे क्रियोल्स हैं. मोस्टली हाँ कहीं भी. Wong, how can you speak many languages? How can you speak many languages? बोलो, ये तुम्हें पता नहीं है. बोलो बोलो. सर पता नहीं, I don't know. All of a sudden I started speaking. Then we'll have to go for exorcism. What if someone else is speaking? Emily Rose, the famous exorcism, याद है? 6 people. She would speak in 6 different languages with 6 different voices. She said, I have the soul of Hitler, Mephistopheles, Lucifer, one priest who was killed for being evil. 6 people. The exorcism, based on real story of someone, and her real voices are recorded. So how many languages you speak? 5? 4? 4. How did you learn those languages? Simple. You got in touch with various people, various timing zones. Sometimes you're in a hostel, sometimes you had friends who spoke in those languages. This is how you speak many languages collectively, right? Do you have one common language now? One fixed language? English. But again, it is a second language. Have you felt this thing that you speak 4 or 5 languages and these 4 or 5 languages are mixed together and somehow my accent, use of various things and all, it has developed a new language, a new style? My first language was Hindi, but that Hindi was very different. Currently my first language is again Hindi, but if I'm speaking, sometimes I don't know, I start speaking English. Naturally मेरे साथ होता है ना? No, we are taking the reference of dialects also. We are not taking the reference of big languages. It's everything. Creole is mixture of languages. A language which is developed upon the mixture of various languages. 4 or 5 languages mixed together. Creole itself is a language, and how it is formed with the mixture of various languages. My current day Hindi is not the same Hindi I used to speak when I came to Delhi. I had many words from Punjabi, I had many words from Rajasthani. मेरा accent भी बहुत देसी था, बहुत गंवार style. अभी I find it difficult if I have to speak in Hindi. कई बार मुझे हिंदी में लेक्चर रिकॉर्ड करने पड़ते हैं ना, तो मुझे कई बार लगता है कि मैंने यार ये वर्ड ऐसे नहीं बोलना चाहिए, ऐसे ज़्यादा हो गया. I'm not able to control that language. I've become habitual. COVID में when I returned to my native people, my own school friends and all, I realized I'm talking to them in English. जो मेरे दोस्त हैं गाँव में, उनसे बात कर, हाँ यार बारा बहुत दिक्कत हो रही है कोविड में, भाई मैं तेरे को क्या बताऊँ यार, सीरियसली इट हैज़ बिकम इम्पॉसिबल यार, कैसे सर्वाइव करूँ. और फिर मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि मैंने एक लाइन बोली है, सीरियसली इट हैज़ बिकम इम्पॉसिबल. हमारे यहाँ पे गाँव में अंग्रेजी का एक वर्ड इज़ अ बिग थिंग. फिर staying there for few days, switching back to my local language. Some of these staff people who came to work with me, इनको फार्म हाउसेस पसंद थे वहाँ पे, तो दिन भर वो फार्म हाउस में नहाना वगैरह काम करना. जब ये मुझे लोकल राजस्थानी बोलते हुए देखते थे तो सर आपको देख के लगता ही नहीं सर आप सेम हो. I started switching to my Rajasthani language. I can speak Bhojpuri. I used to speak Punjabi on regular basis. फिर हरियाणवी लोगों के साथ रहा हूँ तो हरियाणवी एक्सेंट जानता हूँ. My Hindi is not the same Hindi, it is mixed. My Hindi, current day Hindi is Creole. Various languages mixed together, they develop a new language. It is not easily identified, it just can be felt. The language of Delhi is Creole. Various people, various language speakers living together for many years collectively have developed a new language, that is Creole language. In the world, We have 1500 plus registered creoles. Now there are studies done on creoles. Australian language is a creole language. इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज जो इंडिया में बोली जा रही है क्रियोलाइजेशन है, क्रियोल. रिमेंबर सलमान रश्दी चटनिफिकेशन, कल्चर्स मिक्स्ड, चटनिफिकेशन इज अ टर्म. ठीक है, इसको नहीं पता तो लिख लो. इफ यू डू नॉट नो इट लिख लो. चटनिफिकेशन. Term by Rushdie, Salman Rushdie. Chutneyfication. How will you understand chutneyfication? Marwa, what is chutney? Some sauce, chili sauce. Yeah, some 3-4 exotic spices mixed together, then grinded with some other flavors and all. So in Hindi we call it chutney. In English sometimes we call it sauce, right? Spicy sauce. Chutneyfication. Various things merged together. Structuralism. चटनी कैसे बनती है? We love chutney. आम की चटनी तो मज़ा ही आ जाता है. टमाटर प्याज के साथ हो तो मज़ा आ जाता है. And लहसुन की चटनी who doesn't love? जब भी मैं राजस्थान जाता हूँ लहसुन की चटनी 100% चाहिए मुझे. But how that chutney sauce is formed? It doesn't have independent structure. Various spices, then some vegetables mixed, grinded, added salt and other things. Structuralism, chutneyfication. Indian language, he says it's chutneyfied. Indian English, chutneyfied. So Creole is simply a language which is emerged from the various languages mixed together. Creolization. There is no logic behind this thing. Easy example. Best or easy example, hostels. 50 students living together, 50, 20 states, 20 languages. How are they going to live together? Suppose this is the best boarding school of India. So all the rich people have sent their kids. 2 students from Tamil Nadu, 2 from Karnataka, 2 from West Bengal, 2 from Kashmir, 2 from Northeast. We have many students there. They all have their languages. 50 people living together, and let's divide that. Out of those 50 people, at least 20 have their own native language. Some of them have some common language, some of them have some very common language. What will be, if they are together for 1 year, 2 years, what will be the overall language of the hostel? It has understanding, it has symbols, signals. जैसे हमारे यहाँ पे बच्चे क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, इस बार नहीं खेल पाए हम, तो नॉर्मली क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, तो somebody is playing from Kashmir side, somebody is playing from Maharashtra side, so they don't play or they play. Sometimes they have common language. Even if they have no common language, we have Tamil students, sometimes they come to play. They say, you go, fielding, catch. Bowling कैसे पूछते हैं? जा. This is language, Creole. People find out a language to connect. So got it? Delhi's language is Creole. London's language is Creole. All the people where various cultures are mixed together, and if they speak a modern day language, that is Creole. The world has new languages. Creolization, Creoles. आपकी Creole में Twitter word use हो गया है. Tweet, oak. These words are added in your modern day language. Creolization. Cliche. हाँ, French Creoles. Local French. Sometimes it is identified. Sometimes people want to show it that it is identified. Sometimes people don't understand. जैसे राजस्थान की भाषा देखो आप, राजस्थान की कोई सिंगल भाषा नहीं है. There is no single language in Rajasthan. It has हाड़ौती, कोटा की लैंग्वेज, बूंदी, पारा, ढूंढाड़ी, जयपुर की लैंग्वेज, कांच है, बागड़ी, खे है, मारवाड़ी, काई करो. So हाड़ौती, ढूंढाड़ी, बागड़ी, Just like that in Punjab, Punjabis are of three types of Punjabi: Sindhi Punjabi, then Thet Punjabi, and another Punjabi. In Haryana also there are 2 to 3 types of Haryanvi. Rajgarh की हरियाणवी अलग होगी, भिवानी की अलग मिलेगी आपको. So 4-5 languages are everywhere. Common merged thing. I do not speak pure Hindi. I do not speak pure English because it's all Creole. It's mixed. Language develop होती है ना. To talk about some concept, I have taken words, borrowed words. So language itself is a Creole. Some people identified. For example, people who are living in Goa and they are Portuguese. A lot of Portuguese didn't leave Goa. They are still living South Goa. They have their old Portuguese language. Then they also speak Konkani. They also speak Hindi. They also speak English. Common language, mixed language. तो उनकी जो पोर्तुगीज है वो भी सब मिक्स्ड हो गया है. इट्स क्रियोल. कुछ नहीं पता क्या चल रहा है. इट्स क्रियोल. चावल सब्जी रोटी सबको मिला के खाए, दैट्स क्रियोल. सब चीज़ें मिला लेना एक साथ. ट्राई किए? समझ में आ रहा है क्रियोल? जो पौंडीचेरी में फ्रेंच बोलते हैं ना, वो प्योर फ्रेंच नहीं है, वो क्रियोल है. तमिल फ्रेंच है. लेट्स गो फॉर दिस. क्लिशे. Cliché is overuse of words which makes the words lose their significance. Overuse. The words which lose their significance because of the overuse. बहुत ज़्यादा use होने की वजह से. Sorry. Sorry is meaningful. Every day somebody comes, pushes you or slaps you and says sorry, sorry, sorry. Then again somebody slaps you, sorry. Then again, sorry. How many sorries you will accept, Sai? 3. चलो 3 थप्पड़ खा सकती है. Anybody can try. याद रहेगा लाइफ टाइम. एक बार डॉली, एक बार वॉन्ग. She says, I can accept 3 sorries. So 3 slaps is fine. Maybe, how many sorries will you accept? None of you is short-tempered. Nobody. She's short-tempered. 1 sorry. Max 1 sorry. Second, you are on your own risk. Bar, sorry, 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 sorry. Soon, the word loses its value, significance. तुम्हारा कोई दोस्त है, रोज तुमसे 100 रुपए उधार लेता और बोलता है ट्रस्ट मी. मारवा. One day a friend comes, says give me 100 rupees only, trust me, I'll give it back. After 2 days again that person comes, 100 rupees more, trust me. This is going on 2 months and now you have to take 10,000 back. And again that person comes and says, trust me. What will be the value of that word, trust me? You'll say, come here, come here. No more trust. It means cliche. Repeated use of anything that makes its value gone. Right? That's cliche. So language becomes dead. How the language becomes dead? Overuse of language makes it cliche. आपने देखा होगा सड़कों पे दीवार पे लिखा होता है, तो उससे कोई फर्क पड़ता है किसी को? कुछ दीवारों पे बाहर नहीं लिखा होता कि यहाँ पे गंदगी मत कीजिए, कोई फर्क पड़ता है किसी को? Who takes it seriously? अच्छा लिखा हुआ है. क्लिशे. When you travel in the train, रेल आपकी संपत्ति है, इसका ध्यान रखिए. How many of you take that seriously? It's okay. मेट्रो में लेडीज सीट पे लिखा होता है लेडीज सीट, तो भी लोग बैठे होते हैं. उनके लिए क्लिशे हो रखे हो, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. एंड देयर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स. इफ यू आर अ फ्रीक्वेंट फ्लायर, दे कम एंड दे शो यू हाउ टू बेल्ट, डू दीज थिंग्स एंड ऑल, फास्टन द बेल्ट, लूजन द बेल्ट. 90% पीपल डोंट पे अटेंशन. इवन आई डोंट पे अटेंशन बिकॉज मुझे पता कुछ नहीं होगा, जो होना होगा. बेल्ट खोल के करूंगा भी क्या, कहाँ से कूदूंगा? हाँ, जब वाटर बॉडी के ऊपर प्लेन जाता है तो आई डेफिनेटली चेक कि मेरे वो लाइफ जैकेट है कि नहीं है. वो तो आई सीरियसली सी, क्योंकि देयर इज अ चांस बाई चांस पानी वानी उतरा तो आई जंप. There are so many things which are cliches, which are ignored, the dead language. Now the next one, loan words. In our language, there are borrowed words. In every language, the words are borrowed from other languages. Sometimes we know it, sometimes we don't know it. Also called calc. Calc. Calc is the same thing, loan words. When you speak a language and your words are borrowed, not all the words, some of those words. How many of you speak 3 to 4 languages? 3 to 4. 1. हिंदी इंग्लिश लोकल 3. ऐसा हुआ है हिंदी में एक आधा वर्ड कश्मीरी बोला हो? कभी ऐसा होता है हिंदी में बात कर रहे हो कश्मीरी आ रही है, कश्मीरी में बात कर रहे हो हिंदी आ रही है? That's loan word. Wrong? You're speaking in native language and you want to tell something to somebody. Sometimes you take some English words in between. This is borrowing. You are borrowing the words. Hindi mein Angrezi words, Angrezi mein Hindi words. If you're speaking Hindi but you take some words in English, people do not know they use words. Even you go to village, a Hindi speaking background, people don't speak in English but they don't know they are actually using some English words. Time. टाइम क्या हो गया? मदर से टाइम क्या हो गया? मम्मी बोलती टाइम देखो टाइम. शी डज नॉट नो टाइम इज एन इंग्लिश वर्ड. और क्रिकेट. हाँ बेटा फेल हुआ कि पास हुआ? फेल एंड पास इंग्लिश वर्ड्स. वी हैव बोरोड वर्ड्स, लोन वर्ड्स. These are words are used in languages. Clear? Any questions? Now let's go for dialects, idiolect, ideoglossia. The biggest structure is called language. How to identify between a language and dialect? It is the first thing, it is the area and the population. Then languages are having historical background, so they have grammatical structures. Most of the languages have a structure, grammatical structure. So here languages are actually based on a big patch of land and a population. Badi bhasha, badi jagah, and it has grammatical structure. It has its own linguistic structure. Then dialects. Dialects are the subparts of same language. It is just not a proper perfect use. With time, it becomes. For example, the best reference. जीके का क्वेश्चन आता है. सास बहू का क्वेश्चन मंदिर कहां पे है? एनीबॉडी? In India, सास बहू का मंदिर, the temple of mother-in-law and daughter-in-law. Where do we have this temple in India? सास बहू का मंदिर. राजस्थान में, if I'm not wrong. उदयपुर में शायद. हो सकता कहीं हो. What is this सास and बहू? सास बहू का मंदिर. The temple of mother-in-law and daughter-in-law. But this is not actually the history. History is Shahastra Bahu, a devil. The temple of Shahastra Bahu. Speak Shahastra Bahu. Sahastra Bahu. Are Sahastra Bahu. Are Sahastra Bahu. Got it? Proper word. You okay? Marwa? Crying? You? Learning? Yawning? Okay. It's okay. Sahastra Bahu. Repeat it again and again. Follow. धीरे धीरे क्या कन्वर्ट होगा? What will happen gradually with this word? Sahastra Bahu is the name of a devil in Hindu mythology. Sahastra Bahu. He had thousands of hands. Right? So all of his hands were cut by the god. क्या होना चाहिए? What should be the better idea? From L1 to L2, there should be a bridge course. Teachers should teach in Hindi and English mix, and they should take them टूवर्ड्स इंग्लिश इन अ ग्रेजुअल एंड स्लो प्रोसेस। ऐसा नहीं होता कि ऑल ऑफ अ सडन अंग्रेजों के बीच में बिठा दो, अपने आप अंग्रेजी आएगी, विच इज द कॉमन अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट जस्ट ड्रॉप देम इन स्कूल एंड दिल स्टार्ट लर्निंग, दे स्टार्ट स्पीकिंग। फिर वो मिमिक्री हो जाती है, फिर वो मे आई कम इन करता है, मेरी तरह कॉपी करता है, प्रेयर कॉपी करता है। प्रेयर का क्या मतलब है पता नहीं, दे डूइंग इट। द नेक्स्ट वन, TBLL, this is very important, developed by the professor in Bengaluru, N.S. Prabhu. Question in NET exam. TBLL, task based language learning. Task based language learning, very important, multiple question in NET and SET exam. Task based language learning, नाम याद रखना, N.S. Prabhu, professor from Bangalore. It's very important. Questions have been asked, plus it's easy. How it's easy? Give the students to do some task that you have done in schools. Write an essay on your friend, write an essay on a railway scene, write an essay on a cow. करा नहीं सब? Write an essay on your teacher, best teacher पे लिखो. You have done that? टास्क बेस्ड लैंग्वेज लर्निंग स्कूल्स में क्या टास्क मिला था? याद नहीं है? हमें तो ये मिलता था रेलवे सीन, बेस्ट फ्रेंड, टीचर, मार्केट सीन। हमने तो हॉकर्स वेंडर्स रट्टा मार रखा था। वी मग्ड अप हॉकर्स वेंडर्स एंड स्टॉल। रेलवे सीन, हॉकर्स वेंडर्स स्टॉल, बस सीन। और कौन कौन से टास्क होते हैं? You can give them role playings. You are a shopkeeper. You have to buy vegetables. Stand up, talk. पता है, कम फ्रॉम अ बैकग्राउंड ना जहाँ पे टीचर के आगे खड़ा होना भी बड़ा वो लगता था कि हमें खड़ा क्यों किया क्लास में। शर्मा जाते थे कि सर मेरे को मत बोलना, सर प्लीज पढ़ने के लिए मेरे को मत बोलना। पीछे छुप के बैठते थे। जो मैडम आती थी ना, तो मैडम हैड अ हैबिट, यू स्टैंड अप, यू रीड। MA में हमें ड्रामा बोलते थे कि तुम पढ़ो, हम डर जाते थे, तो हम पीछे बैठ के ना ऐसे छुपे रहते थे कि लड़कियों को बोलेंगे, हमें नहीं बोलेंगे। फिर मैम कहती विनीत मैम स्टैंड अप, आगे तुम पढ़ो, नाउ यू रीड। तो पहले तो ढूंढना होता था पढ़ा क्या रही है, क्योंकि पता ही नहीं होता था। फिर हम इधर उधर देखते थे कि कहाँ से पढ़ना है। फिर एक आधा दोस्त इशारा कर देता था यहाँ से पढ़ना है। ओके सो यू आर दिस एंड दैट। फिर मैडम बोलती थी ओके सो पिग्मेलियन इज सेइंग दिस मैम। फिर एक लाइन पैराग्राफ पढ़ लिया, डर लगता था कि ऐसे प्रोनाउंस करना है। देन वंस वी आर डन विद दैट पैराग्राफ, शी से सिट डाउन, देन समबडी एल्स वुड रीड। MA में तो हमने ऐसे पढ़ा है, ड्रामा से पढ़ने का। और परनीत मैम थी हमारी, शी इज़ अ वेरी फेमस राइटर नाउ, पोइट है परनीत मैम। सो सून आई स्टार्टेड फाइंडिंग प्लेजर इन रीडिंग। तो मेरी बारी है, स्टार्टेड रीडिंग। She said, don't you think you are fast? I said, no ma'am, I'm slow. She said, it's too fast. मैंने कहा ma'am, I don't want to be teacher. I want to speak English fluently. So I'm doing the practice of reading it fast. हमारा essay competition था and I got the first prize essay competition, क्योंकि मेरे पास competition success review था, एक magazine. मैंने उसका editorial as it is छाप दिया था। Essay writing competition, I had some magazine in English. I took that editorial, copied it, submitted it. Jury, first prize. But what my ma'am told me, I still remember. She said, Vineet, you have got the first prize, and I can bet you yourself have no idea what you have written. I just smiled. High language competition success review, पूरा editorial छाप दिया था। तो वी केम फ्रॉम दैट बैकग्राउंड। लिटरेचर हमें कुछ नहीं पढ़ाया जाता, पैराडाइज लॉस्ट जैसी कहानी बोरिंग तरीके से पढ़ाई। सो इंडिया में इंग्लिश है ना, इट इज़ बीइंग यूज्ड एज अ ट्रेन थिंग। पढ़ाया नहीं जा रहा है, रटवाया जाता है। वर्ड्स, मीनिंग्स, मग अप। अगर 100 मीनिंग्स याद नहीं है, 10 मीनिंग याद नहीं है, सो वी नीड अ ब्रिज कोर्स। TBLL इज द पार्ट ऑफ दैट थिंग, प्रैक्टिस थिंग, गेट देम इन्वॉल्व। स्टूडेंट्स को होमवर्क देना, टास्क बेस्ड लैंग्वेज लर्निंग। The next one, ESP, recently has been asked in exam. English for specific purposes. English for specific purpose. For example, English for ATC. Marine English, medical and other fields, etc. Business English, BE. Business English अलग है. Medical English, how the doctor's writing is understood by the medical shop owner. How the doctor, whatever he just writes, is understood by others. They normally write the salt. They understand the salt. वो salt समझते हैं, salt क्या कह रहा है इस particular चीज़ के लिए. Sometimes they write the first two letters and the salt. ये दो. Particular language used by the medical authorities. Same kind of thing is here. Stock market, people use language. Crash, crash, crash. हवाई जहाज का पायलट बोले crash, crash, crash. That's a different meaning. Stock market investor says crash, crash, crash. Different meaning. So English used in specific environment, language of Marines, Navy, air traffic control, medical, army, business English. So please remember ESP. Full form पूछा था exam में. What they asked was full form. But if they say that English for specific purposes, how many purposes can be there? These are the things. Then next one we have is IELTS and TOEFL. IELTS, a course that is used or designed to test the knowledge of English speaking people. In Punjab, IELTS is very common. वो पंजाबी क्या जो कनाडा नहीं गया, तो IELTS is very common in Punjab. अच्छा बेस्ट थिंग बताऊँ सीरियसली, लाइफ के खुद के एग्जाम्पल इतने अच्छे से आ रहे हैं ना, जो बुक से एग्जाम्पल चाहिए नहीं. When I was studying in my post-graduation, my area is having Punjabi touch. Many of my friends living in my hostel were preparing for IELTS. They were coming from very local background, local people, 10th fail, sometimes 12th fail, 12th pass. Very desi people, local, not even good in Hindi, speaking mostly Punjabi, preparing for IELTS to go to Canada, UK, whatever, okay, and other things, etc. Normally USA में नहीं जाता IELTS, okay. What they were doing, they would go to the coaching classes where they were told to mug up words. Person who doesn't speak in English was mugging up words. How to mug up words? Lists were given along with Hindu newspaper. मेरे actually कई अच्छे दोस्त थे वो, कुछ चले गए, कुछ रह गए. What they were doing? Mugging up good words, underlining Hindu newspaper, finding out Hindi, mugging up. Because they were told that if you understand the words, you'll understand the essay, you'll be able to answer. Sometimes they would come to me. पाजी पाजी तुझ English the student हो. ऐसा मतलब क्यों है पाजी? What does that mean? इसका क्या मतलब हुआ? अब मैं देखता हूँ यार तो भारी भारी वर्ड है, मुझे भी नहीं आते. Mugged up. I met a boy in Rajasthan and he qualified IELTS. Then he went to some country abroad and he was preparing IELTS again. That boy was totally desi. Kurta pajama, chappal with a jhola. No English grammar. But his vocabulary was very strong. I surrendered in front of him, being a teacher at that time. Uske words, vocab. Then there was a Sardar, I just forgot his name. I wish I was in touch with him. Radio news, English news and words. Just forget grammar. Rest vocabulary and pronunciation. Listening the cricket commentary and radio news. He was damn good. Much better. उसके पास phrases होते थे यार, बहुत high-fi phrases. So IELTS is actually preparing you for those exams. IELTS full form, International English Language Testing System. Write down. International English Language Testing System. International English Language Testing System. It's an exam that checks LSRW. This is the order of learning or being competent in a language. This is the order. Yes. What is LSRW, Wong? Please remember the order. Listening, speaking, reading. Writing is the next level when you start expressing your words by writing. LSRW, order yaad rakhna. It is actually the proper order. First you listen, understand what they say. Then when you imitate, you speak. You read, you develop your ideas and the exact level of understanding when you start writing. In IELTS exam, they'll make you listen a story. Two people will talk in accent. You have to understand the story and answer the question. For time being, I have taught IELTS. मैंने पढ़ाया है कुछ समय के लिए, 1-1.5 महीने के लिए. Headphones होते थे. A lady would go to police station that I have lost my wallet. Policeman says, oh, where exactly that happened? That happened in Hampton Street at 9 o'clock. May I know the color of that wallet, lady? It's blue, bluish, this, that. नीचे answer होता था. What is the color of the bag? You understood? Blue. Where the purse was stolen? In that street. It means your listening is okay. Then speaking. So in IELTS exam, they make you speak. If you have seen the movie recently, I could so connect it. My English is my mother language. I am this and that. There was a movie, na Donkey. They're preparing for speaking. वैसे ही गांव के बच्चे होते थे exactly. सर जी बस जाना है पास करा दो कैसे भी. Then reading. They'll give you to read something like paragraph and answer the question. Last thing you have to write. So we used to prepare them on Indian economy, Indian market, India, China, India, Pakistan, and अपने बारे में बताओ, घर के बारे में बताओ. This is a method where the third world countries are going to read and understand in second world countries. IELTS is actually a certificate that if you take admission in foreign universities, you will not be sitting blank in the class. You will understand that language. You can cope up with those things, you can coordinate, and you will not be a burden there. Reality of Indian students, 90%, they do not go abroad for study purposes. IELTS is a good way to go to abroad. It saves you a lot of money. It's an easy way to go abroad. They go for universities, but then they start working in cafeteria, restaurants, petrol pumps, and they get a lot of money. मेरा दोस्त 2014 में 90,000 per month कमाता था. He was earning 90,000 per month in 2014. He went to Australia.